Hi, I'm Mei Song. I'm the principal of Subu Design Architecture. Welcome to the home that I've designed for my clients, their 3 active boys, and their dog, Henry. Not only am I the designer of the home, I'm also the architect. I can't wait to show you around. Come follow me. So the story begins in celebration of books. We created this tower flanked by the wallpaper of books along the stairs and centered by this custom bocce fixture that is flooded by natural light from the clear story above. It was a little experimental, but it came out amazing. It's been the talk of every single event. Speaking of events, you have to see the Grey Room. Come follow me. Welcome to the Grey Room, all about California living, and this is where life happens. We brought the outdoor in through these floor-to-ceiling glass doors that we could retract all the way open on both sides of the great room. Since this is where the family gathers, it needs to cater to everybody, including Henry the dog. And who doesn't love a good couch? We upholstered it with outdoor fabric, so it's very easy to clean and very durable. To add to the extra coziness, we have this fireplace as a centerpiece, and we surrounded the fireplace with the same quartzite we use for the dining room table. From here, you can see all the way into the kitchen, where a lot of entertaining happens. Come, let me show you. In this kitchen, we're anchored by this 8-foot wide center island. Also, we're topped by this beautiful lantern that's reminiscent of the client's Asian heritage. And the cooking area is accented by this unique backsplash. It's a beautiful mosaic by Ann Sachs that's made of glass tiles. After the kids have a bite, they head on upstairs to do their homework in this creative space, which I'm really proud of. Follow me. On the second floor reading room, we were inspired by the cosmos. We hired a local artist to create a mural of the cosmos on the ceiling and the world map for the family to add to their adventures as their story grows. Kids love to swing, and we want to bring that into the house itself. So in each of the rooms, we added this swing chair so they could sit and read, enjoy the outdoors. For the youngest child, he was really into comics. One of the fun elements in this room is a superhero closet. You can go in and change into a superhero self every day. Like a superhero, if you like to sleep on the clouds, you'll love the master bedroom. We wanted the master suite to be almost dreamlike. We chose interior paint colors to mimic the grayish blue sky. The clean, calm palette of the master bath reflects the aesthetic of the lady of the house. And a little something for the husband. I designed a secret bookcase where even he gets to be a superhero with his very own bat cave. And when this family is ready to save the world, they head on outside. Now, this is California living. Thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoy my design. Cheers.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. It's all about love. Share these homes, you know?